This is Quadify Ultra. To show what it does, we are using this highly triangulated car concept mesh. Converting this manually takes hours. Let's look at the features that simplify the process. We begin with the rear quarter panel. Select your mesh, choose the hard surface preset from the list, and hit Quick Remesh to instantly convert the dense triangles. After remeshing, you can fine-tune topology using Loop Flow Intelligence. Here, you can adjust edge alignment, curvature sensitivity, and grid bias to control how your quads flow over complex forms. Next, we select the door window trim. Applying the same hard surface preset quickly resolves this narrow piece, giving us a clean, light wireframe with high quad accuracy. For the main hood and front bumper, we use the QuadWild engine. This handles demanding curves around headlight recesses and intakes, wrapping the geometry uniformly. Switching to the Agent tab activates conversational workflow options. Connect your viewport directly to conversational AI engines to drive your retopology settings via natural language instructions. Finally, the Modules tab lets you easily extend the tool. You can install add-ons like Quadify Bridge to generate AI assets directly in your viewport, or manage updates locally. Choose your .zip file and install to begin.